Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. A big news has been arrived for the OnePlus 9 series, and we have got some latest schematics for the OnePlus 9 Pro, which gives us a good details of its back, and it gives us the detail how the back is going to be looking alike. First thing we immediately notice on the back while looking at the schematics is the positioning of the camera sensors on the back side. It was previously present on the middle of the device in the OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8T devices, and now the new schematic showcase that the device has shifted the camera bump from a middle of the device to the left hand of the device. Also, we see that the two layers of the camera sensors on the back side, but in reality, according to the leaks coming from the digital chat station, that we are going to see a triple camera setup on the back side. But previous leaks has suggested that there are going to be a quad camera setup on the back. Anyhow, the main camera sensor on the back side is expected to be coming with a 50 megapixel of a main camera sensor, and obviously we don't know exactly about the camera details about yet, but 50 megapixel sensor has been arrived from a new leak that has been surfaced for the Oppo Find X3 Pro device. And if you don't know about Oppo and OnePlus, they are the sub-brand of the main parent company, so their spec sheet and designs are going to be pretty much similar. Even the Oppo Find X3 Pro is expected to be coming with similar design, just like the OnePlus 9 series. So honestly, I think that this move is not going to be very helpful for OnePlus, because if you have another sub company which is coming with similar design, then your company reputation is going to be very much damaged. Volume switches, power button, and familiar OnePlus alert slider for quick muting or unmuting of the device are present on the right side of the device. Based on previous leak, it is also likely that Pro model will be coming with a 6.5 inch of display, and obviously it will come with at least 120 Hz of refresh rate on QHD plus resolution. And as the Oppo Find X3 Pro leak suggests that it is going to be coming with an LTPO display, so we can expect that the display which is going to be coming in the OnePlus 9 Pro devices are going to be supported by LTPO, and that's mean that we have a device that is going to be consuming less power in terms of display. Internally, we know that OnePlus is always coming with a Snapdragon latest flagship level processor inside the device, and the next year is not different than previous. The Qualcomm latest chipset, the Snapdragon 888 processor, is going to be coming inside the OnePlus 9 Pro devices, and along with that, it has an also support for 5G. It's going to be 35% faster in terms of GPU performance and 25% faster in terms of CPU. So obviously this is going to be the first chipset which we are going to see in the next year most of the Android flagship level devices. So guys, expect plenty more leaks between now and March or April time when the phone is likely to appear. We are also hoping that we will get a few more details about the standard OnePlus 9 models, which hasn't featured as much in the rumors we have came across so far. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the next year OnePlus devices in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.